Hello, just wanted to give a little update on what I've been working on. Um, we've got a build menu now, so we can build things, and we've got multiple components working, so you can make uh, displays um, that work independently of each other, or like have independent um, visuals on them. And I could show that. Uh, First, so we'll go in the build menu and we'll delete some of these components. And then we will build a second display. Could do that like right here. Or more like right here. And then we can connect our displays. And we can connect our buttons. And then put in this little program we wrote. And we can see that one of the buttons is going to turn this display into going the other direction. It's gonna turn negative, and the other one well, that one just happened to um, be close to 100, so it looked like it did the same thing, but and yeah. So I pressed the button again. See, it's going through the negatives, and it'll turn off the pieces when it reaches the the negative of that value. It's just it's a 10 by 10 grid, so you can see it as soon as it gets past 10, then then it will stop printing to the display. Um, and these are working a little bit differently. One of them's just changing the value to negative 100, while one of them is actually multiplying the value by negative 1. So you can see I just did multiply by negative 1 and it stopped midway. But here it will start going back immediately because and that's because the reason I did that is because multiplying just uses the accumulator register. It doesn't use the data registers. So you got to be careful the way that you do things a little bit. But I'm um, uh, thinking of doing things a little bit different, like adding. The thing is, I haven't made the only thing I haven't done yet is make support for multiple controllers. Um, so um, so uh, if I keep making the controller more complex, it's going to be more work for me later to to add support for multiple controllers. So I got to figure out about like right now what I want to do with that. But though this is how it is as it stands. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.